So we get a lot of clients, a lot of potential clients asking us one big question. How much does it cost to manage social media? Let's say you're a busy business owner, you realize the importance of social media, you're ready to take it to the next level and you need to dedicate time or someone else's time to it. So that means you're ready to hire someone. So when you're ready to hire a social media manager, you need to first ask yourself, what do I want to do with my social media page? What kind of content you're going to create, how you're going to create it, and how you're going to execute it. And all three of those points tie into the true cost of social media. So, number one, guys, what kind of content are we going to create? I think it's a great mix of maybe utilizing some influencer content, but also creating your own. I think video is huge. I also think blogging and then spending some of your own time, so that's a cost in itself, to do some Facebook Live is great. We're looking at the next question. How to create it. We need to look at hiring videographers, one, for a video. So a videographer is typically going to cost you an hourly rate, $100 an hour. Now creating blogs, you need to look at a blog writer. A good blog writer, you're looking at around $300 to $500 per blog. So let's say ideally you found someone who's a jack of all trades. He can do video editing, blog writing, and help execute everything about your social media. That person will come at a cost because they're so well versed in the technology, the tools, and the execution of social media. You're looking at typically an hourly rate of around $25 to maybe $35 an hour, just maybe on the lower average end. You're paying for quality and you're paying for a single point of contact, which is huge in your time saving. Their talent alone will not help you execute social media 100%. You're gonna need tools in terms of video editing, content creation, and also scheduling or executing your social media posting. Looking at some of these tools like a cheap or pretty easy video editor for some of your easy videos, so it can go from anywhere from free to about $100 per month. As far as actual image creation, you're looking at either providing an Adobe suite or providing maybe some lesser tools like a Canva or maybe even an Adobe Spark. And they can run you to about $10 a month to about $15 to $20 a month. So one of the last costs you'll need to look at is actually a social media planner or scheduler. One of the best tools you can have in your arsenal when managing social media is a social media management tool. You're typically looking at the cost for a social media manager being around $100 on the low end per month, up to about $500 plus per month on the higher end with a lot of the more detailed features for executing social media. So the last little bit of advice I want to give you guys in terms of cost of social media ties to social media ad running. I typically recommend on the low end a minimum budget of $1,000. $1,000 budget would be great from a local perspective. If you're working with your national brand or you're working on a bigger level and you want to reach more people, obviously a larger budget will work for that. So that's it. Those are some general costs of social media, guys. Understand what you're buying, what your goals are with social media. Education is everything. So I hope you guys learned a little bit from this video. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Nate Rose, oh yeah, I'm finna pop. Yeah, baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck, but end up missing from a liver shot. Ooh yeah, oh baby, it's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so